This is the Firestash Plus from True Utility. This thing comes in a nice little carry-in case. A little over 4.5 inches tall. 2 3/4 at the bottom. About 3 inches across the top. 1 inch wide. Bottom, a little over about 1.5 inches at the top. Got a pretty decent little clip on it. And this is a Zippo type lighter. So you fill it with naphtha or Zippo fuel. Overall height, 2.8. A little over 1/2 inch wide. The clip opening 0.45. Nice little clip, kind of like a Night Eyes style clip. You could put it on a keychain if you wanted. I like to just clip it in my backpack. The really cool thing about this is it has an O-ring and it's threaded. So unlike a Zippo, which dries out pretty quickly, this will keep your fuel in there for quite a long time. Nice little flame, adjustable. You can pull the wick out, make it a little taller. Probably one of my favorite pieces of kit right now for going out in the woods, making fires, lighting my camp stove. And it weighs in at 1 ounce. Super lightweight. Great little backpacking lighter, survival lighter. Got it for $15 on Craigslist. Can't go wrong. The Firestash from True Utility.